Biology, Chapter 7 Evolution of Class 12. A brief account of evolution. The geological time scale includes four eras: Proterozoic, Paleozoic, Mesozoic, and Cenozoic. Proterozoic era, that is between 2500 to 541 million years ago. About 2000 million years ago, the first cellular form of life appears on Earth. Some of the cells had the ability to release oxygen as the light reaction in photosynthesis. Single-celled organisms became multicellular organisms. Paleozoic era has six periods: Cambrian, that is 540 to 490 million years ago; Ordovician, 490 to 443 million years ago; Silurian, 425 million years ago; Devonian, 405 MYA; Carboniferous, 360 MYA; and Permian, 285 million years ago. 500 million ago, invertebrates were formed, and 450 million ago, first land organisms, that is, plants, were appeared. $400 million ago, arthropods invaded the land, and 350 million years ago, jawless fishes were evolved. About 250 million ago, fish with short and strong fins could move on land and go back to water. The coelacanth, called lobe fins, evolved into the first amphibian that lived on both land and water. These were the ancestors of modern-day frogs and salamanders. Here are the fossils of coelacanth, a lobe-fin fish. In 1938, a coelacanth fish thought to be extinct was caught in South Africa. There are no specimens of lobefish left with us, which are thought to be extinct. The 325 million old lobefin coelacanth is still very much alive. Here is the structure of lobefin fish. 400 million ago, arthropods invaded the land. $320 million years ago, seedweeds and few plants were existed. Amphibians evolved to reptile. They lay thick shelled eggs which do not dry up in sun. Giant ferns, pteridophytes, were present, but they all fell to form coal deposits slowly. Here are the fossils of coelacanth, a lobe-fin fish. $200 million years ago. In the next 200 million years or so, reptiles of different shapes and size dominated the earth. Some of these land reptiles moved back into water to evolve into fish-like reptiles. For example, Ichthyosaurus, about 200 million years ago. The land reptiles were dinosaurs. The biggest of them was Tyrannosaurus rex. Triceratops, Stegosaurus, and Brachiosaurus. Tyrannosaurus rex was the largest dinosaur, 20 feet in height, huge fearsome daggers like teeth. Toothed birds were emerged. Age of mammals and angiosperms. It has two periods, tertiary, that is 66 million years ago, and quaternary, 2 million years ago, age of man. 65 million years ago, dinosaurs suddenly disappeared. Some say climatic changes killed them. Some say most of them evolved into birds. First mammals were shrew-like. Their fossils are small-sized. There were in South America mammals resembling horse, hippopotamus, deer, rabbit, etc. When South America joined North America due to continental drift, these animals were overridden by North American fauna. In 1938, a coelacanth fish thought to be extinct was caught in South Africa. There are no specimens of lowfish left. Here is a sketch of evolution of plant formed through geological period and representative evolutionary history of vertebrates through geological period. Origin and evolution of man. About 15 million years ago, primates called Dryopithecus and Ramapithecus, ancestors of apes and men, existed on the earth. They were hairy and walked like gorillas and chimpanzees. Dryopithecus was more ape-like, while Ramapithecus was more man-like and was forerunner of hominid evolution. About 250 million ago, fish with short and strong fins could move on land and go back to water. The coelacanth, called low fins, evolved into the first amphibian that lived on both land and water. These were the ancestors of modern-day frogs and salamanders. The important stages of human evolution are as follows. Man-like primates were hominid features. Australopithecines or Australopithecus. 2 million years ago, Australopithecines probably lived in East African grassland. Evidence shows that they hunted with stone weapons but essentially ate fruits. Homo habilis. Some of the bones among the bones of Australopithecus discovered were different. This creature appeared about 2 million years ago and was called the first human-like beings, the hominid. They had a brain capacity of 360 or 650 to 800 cc. cc stands for cranial capacity or cubic centimeter. They probably did not eat meat. Here is a sketch of evolution of plant formed through geological period and representative evolutionary history of vertebrates through geological period. Homo sapiens or Neanderthal man or Homo neanderthalensis. They lived in Near East and Central Asia between 1 lakh to 40,000 years back. They had a brain size of 1400 cc. They used hides to protect their body and buried their dead. 320 million years ago, seed weeds and few plants were existed. Amphibians evolved to reptile. They lay thick shelled eggs which do not dry up in sun. Giant ferns, pteridophytes, were present, but they all fell to form coal deposits slowly. Here is the sequence of human evolution. Dryopithecus, Ramapithecus, Australopithecus, Homo habilis, Homo erectus, Homo neanderthalensis, Homo sapiens. Hominid family. Man-like primates with hominid features. Few fossils of man-like bones have been discovered in Ethiopia and Tanzania. These reveal hominid features leading to the belief that about 3 to 4 million years ago, man-like primates walked in Eastern Africa. They were not taller than 4 feet but walked upright. A comparison of skull of adult modern human being, baby chimpanzee and adult chimpanzee. The skull of baby chimpanzee is more like adult human skull than adult chimpanzee skull. Thank you.